In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a gift card to your Cash App and use it for payments or transfers. The process is quick and easy, so make sure to follow along carefully. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Cash App on your phone and tap on the Profile or Banking section. This will open your account settings. From here, scroll down until you find the Linked Banks option. Tap on it to continue. On the next screen, select the option to link a debit card. Next, enter the information from your Visa gift card. This includes the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code found on the back of the card. You may also be asked to enter a zip code connected to the card. After entering all the details, tap Link Card to connect the gift card to your Cash App account. If the card is supported and has available funds, it should be added successfully. Once linked, you may be able to use the gift card for purchases, payments, or adding funds depending on the type of gift card and Cash App's current support policies. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.